Somewhere in the valley, there is a woman living in a basement. She's actually amassing followers, these people who believe that she'll lead them to salvation or whatever. And yes, she's dangerous, but we have to see this thing through all the way. We began by preparing on the outside. Well, this transmitter records everything from the camera. We go out of range outside of 50 feet.
Peter, that's too big to swallow.
People need to see video of Maggie.
No way.
Couldn't tell the exact location of the house. We were in the van for approximately 20 minutes.
The first night is always the most difficult.
To see her is to believe her. Of course, that's how these cons work.
You see, the anchor is the sign of a traveler, and the number 54 refers to where I come from. 2054. Your future.
Well, what if she is?
From the future? No one is from the future.
It's a really dark time. Every life is a death.
We'll be all right, though. Maggie's taking us to a safe place.
Why do you have a gun?
It is very important that we trust each other. We're family now.
I just feel like we're in over our heads.
Yeah, that's investigative journalism.
If you'll come with me, please, Peter, Maggie will see you.
I need you to bring her to me.
I don't understand.
I think we should go to the police.
We don't know who these people are, what they're capable of.
Very soon, this group is going to begin its journey.
She's dangerous.
I'm willing to go all the way. How far are you gonna go?
This is about Maggie. I see the way that you look at her.
Are you really jealous of that fraud?
Why not?
It's not my choice. It's yours. What are you hiding from me, Peter? We're survivors. Beyond your wildest imagination.